can you talk something about your plants, please? What all flowers and vegetables you have in your garden?
Peace is over here.
Oh. Wow. So you like these?
Yeah.
Have you grown them? Okay.
Tomatoes.
Oh, you have tomatoes.
Also baby tomatoes.
Be careful.
Also they have
Don't
baby
break
tomatoes.
it. Gently you
and
need.
sister tomatoes.
Okay.
This is baby one.
You like tomatoes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is baby
Why do you
one.
like tomatoes?
Let me tell you something,
Oh, it's
Mama.
okay. It's okay. Be gentle. Otherwise it will break.
This is sister.
Yeah.
And this is baby.
Oh, that is sister and that is baby. What about brother?
Brother. There's no way.
You have that side also.
Where?
That side. You have some tomatoes. Here. Do you see them?
Ah!
They are brothers?
This is baby.
Okay. Sister.
This is baby.
Uh-huh.
And this is sister.
Okay.
This is brother.
Brother.
That is mommy. And that is mommy.
Oh, that is daddy and mommy.
Yeah, grandpa and
Okay.
sister is over there.
Okay.
Grandpa
So
and grandma.
so you have family in the plants also, right?
Yeah.
That's cool. And what about the tulsi plants? What all herbs you have in your garden? Can you come and tell me,
What
please?
is herbs?
Those tulsi plant and all you have in that pot, right? Do you like tulsi?
Yes, how to.
Like tulsi leaves?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they yummy in my tummy.
Yummy, yummy in your tummy.
Yeah.
And they are very healthy, right?
Mama, see what they have.
Yeah. Some insects which have eaten them, right?
Naughty.
So we need to take good care of the plants.
Yeah, naughty them.
The way we need to take care of ourselves, right?
Yeah.
We eat
So
healthy.
the bag not to come.
Yes.
Eat us.
What are the flowers you have? Do you see the rose in your garden?
Yes, I
Where
found
it is?
some here.
Okay. What flowers are those? They are geranium, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can see pinky flowers.
And what tree is this?
Wow.
This looks like an avocado tree, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
There's an umbrella here.
That's an umbrella. Okay. That's cool.
Okay,
That's it? Any more plants in your garden?
Yes.
Which?
This is papaya tree.
Oh, that's a papaya tree. No, that's not a papaya tree.
Yes, it is.
It's just a simple tree with leaves.
Oh, papaya tree.
Okay, fine. Anything else? It is curry leaf plant. Do you see here? This one.
Yeah, I know now.
And curry leaf is very healthy.
I know where's aloe vera.
Where it is? Wow!
It's got spikes.
Yeah, but it is very good for health
When
and
you
skin.
touch over here,
Yeah,
you poke.
yeah. So you have to be careful, okay?
Yes.
In the garden. Okay, so enough of. Hey, see, there's a butterfly. It's going that side. Oh. You know, in the morning there was a birdie in your garden. You missed seeing it when you were in school.
Yeah, also I love birdies and I'm a birdie. Tweet,
Yeah.
tweet, tweet, tweet.
Eating? If you eat them, you'll have good health, right? That's good, Mayra.
I'm plucking more.
Okay. So enough of gardening tour today, right?
Yeah,
Do you want to say bye? Bye to everyone?
now I want to touch the roof.
You want to touch the rose? Okay, you can come
Rose.
come this side. It looks beautiful. See? Wow! Pink rose. That's nice.
I'll just also take a picture.
That's lovely. It's lovely.
Wow!
Pluck nicely. Wow! What's that? How is it? Good? Yummy?
Yeah.
What you gonna do with that? Huh? Salad, huh?